watch us and wave at you as I go back home.
I'll be honest, I would be absolutely raging. But imagine, knowing that everyone knows who you are, like Neil Armstrong when he said that famous, "It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Buzz Aldrin had like the greatest ever Disney film ever named after him. One of the characters was Lightyear.
And he's also got like, an amazing name for an astronaut.
Buzz Aldrin.
Yeah.
Michael Collins. Oh no, you
Sounds
just
like
stay there, hon, and take photos of us. No, I'd be absolutely raging.
Also,
Yeah.
if my memory serves me correct, wasn't Buzz Aldrin supposed to be the one that was standing on the moon first, but Neil Armstrong jumped out ahead of him?
Oh, I don't know, because it didn't happen. So I don't know.
I'm sure that is something that I've read before.
Yeah, but I feel like despite that, people know them for being on the moon. Michael Collins, do you know what he did after all that happened? So the biggest achievement ever of people going to the moon, do you know what Michael Collins did after that?
Developed these photographs.
Nah, he became the director at the museum.
Right, and that's not a bad thing.
Right, well, I'll tell you what we'll do, right? Next time we go on holiday, what I'll do is, I'll just leave you in the airport, and you can just
there's a lot of good shops and a lot of good sights to see in
well,
this
there you
airport.
go then. You can do experiments, you can see.
But
You can see all
I'm
the
not doing
shops.
experiments in an airport, I'll get arrested.
And then you can just take photos, and then let me know how your little vacation was compared to mine.
To be fair, I think I'd enjoy being a plane spotter.
You actually would, to be fair.
I've got to warn you when I swear though.
Sorry, I do apologise. So anyway, on the 20th of July 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first human being to step on the moon, or so they say. You know what I always think of? You know, like, obviously when he said, "It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." No, it just sounds like that today. How long did it took them to come up with that line?
Well, one of two things.
Yeah.
Someone's told them that's what he needs to say because they did a poll and the public think that would react well to that.
Right.
You know these things work in
Yeah.
life. Or the other one is he just thought, what can I say? Yes, good thing to say.
Nah, you'll have been rehearsing that. It's like a best man speech, isn't it? You'll have been rehearsing that for ages. You'll have been testing it out over the dinner table, wouldn't you? What would you say if you're the first ever human to walk on the moon? What would you say?
I'm actually here. It's not fake.
Well, that wouldn't go down.
Just to prove you wrong.
No,
That's
no.
like, look, Scarlett, I'm here.
I think I'd want to mess with people and I'd be like, get back in, they're here.
Yeah, just when you get out, you should be like, what's that?
Oh no, we've made a terrible mistake.
There's something coming towards us. Looks like a cat.